time for you to enjoy how clean it looks because it's never gonna look this good again. So this is what I'm gonna use for the blade material. I've already put the blade design on here, but this is gonna be the handle material. I'm just gonna cut out a whole bunch of these and make them look the same later. I'm gonna hold on to this piece. I'm gonna need it later. I'm gonna hold on to this too. I'm also gonna need this later. With the blade basically finished, we can start working on the handles. Tomorrow. Now it's time to make these 4 pieces of steel that are supposed to be a handle look pretty. So basically the next step is to use this guy to make all of these guys look the same. I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm not sure how well this is gonna go. Alright, look, so here's how I finish these handles. I take this and then take a clamp, put the shiny one like that, so that I don't scratch up the surface of the already polished one. Dude, I'm gonna slit my dick! I clamp the 2 pieces together, and then I just make the contour match. I gotta drill holes in the handle now. What? What? Alright, I'm guessing I'm gonna be using an electric drill. Okay, I figured it out. The drill bit is simply duller than my sense of humor. See, it was just my sense of humor, the drill bit. Alright, now that the deed is done, it's time to finish the blade. I'm really nervous about this part, because if I screw this up, I have to make an entirely new blade. Now I just gotta drill the stopping pin. I'm gonna have to put all these nails to use as pins. Those 2 tiny little slivers right here. That took me about, I don't know, hour and a half to make. Now this guy can go on here, and then that gets cut off, and then that gets ground to match the side contour.
And now for something completely different.
Oh, bitch! So I'm considering leaving this gray on here and just polishing the blade. Got a toaster oven.
Later.
Okay, you know what? This is a lot less cool than I planned it on being. Okay, so in this clip right here, the one I'm editing right now, I realized that my phone ran out of storage space. So it got cut, so you don't get to see it. So here's what it looks like. It's got the latch on it. Essentially, in that video, I put one of these pins in, but not the other one. So 1, 2 pins. Obviously, I just kind of hammered the back of them flat, and that's kind of all I did without you seeing. Also, in case you're wondering how long the original unedited video is, 7 hours, 37 minutes, 34 seconds. Alright, now that it's the next day, I've had some practice with it, and I'm going to sharpen it now. Now that it's oiled and sharpened, it's finished. If you'd like to make your own, you should check your local laws first. Otherwise, that's all I've got for you. I'll see you later.